Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to stop character from vibrating. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Then over here, you can see the three dot icon. Tap on it. There, tap on settings. There you can see at the bottom here you can see haptics on. You can turn haptics off. Then like that your character will stop vibrating. Or what you can do is notification. To avoid interruption, enable notification in your phone settings, so you can turn it off. It's already turned off. Go to setting and search for apps. Go to app, then search for character AI. There you can see the option of notification. Mine is already blocked, so yeah, that's how you can stop character AI from vibrating. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.